Hello everybody, Even GB here. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Size matters. In this episode we're going to do the race. I started the race and then I realized that it wasn't recording, so we're going to have to start all over again. But it's a good thing because we were failing. It was like, what, I don't know, let me estimate, like 7 minutes into the episode, I guess. And I was just failing hard. But at least I know the track now, and it's pretty, I like this track is a lot better than the other track. Like, this track is like all sophisticated and crap. Oh, Sonic fast. I ain't going down there. Screw that crap. Oh, really? Really? Those guys pushed me into the freaking thing. Oh, now it spawns me way back here. Way back here. At least I can catch up to these moves. Oh my gosh, I missed it. That was poor. Poor. I used to be so good at this. And now I'm like sucking chicken nuggets. Okay. Really? I can't even get past the first lap. Like, literally, I almost won the first time. Oh my god, man. Stupid freaking curse of playing games on YouTube. But no wonder I was doing so well in the last episode. Because I wasn't recording. Like, I was doing well, but I just kept losing the race. I kept crashing. Oh, go fast. Go Sonic fast. Sonic fast rules! Oh gosh. That worked. Oh, what the? What? Oh, okay. Middle, art, this one. Just don't bump me into the walls. Supersonic mode. Woo! Yes, we got past that. All that crap. Really? And then you do that. That's just racist. And then you put me back here. Because I'm a novice. But I know the dangerous path here, because there's two paths. You can go this is the safe path. Like, you could literally just cruise and you can catch up to these guys. But it's easier to just jump right here, get this one, and land back on this path, honestly. Oh no, I landed on the bad path. No, I don't want to restart because it doesn't really bring me back that way. Really? Can you stop, like, freaking being... Oh my god, man. Okay. Stop being the dangerous path. Be safe. Oh, crap. Well, there's 2 laps of this, and there's plenty of time to catch up. I'm not even joking. Laps are so long, but they get really freaking confusing. Like, I got so confused on the end of the laps. Like, I'm like, who? What? It's like, it turns into a bunch of rock, and then you don't even know where to go. But, this looks pretty well set up. I'm not going that other way because that's the confusing way. Uh-oh, through the hole. Ugh. They went over the hole. How? Oh, jeez. That's a little unnecessary, that jump right there. How'd that guy end up right there? He hacks. He has Uber hacks. Oh no. Will I finish this lap in first? Looks like it. Lap 1 out of 2 complete. Out of this super long race. Uber long race. So yeah, I think the ending of Resistance should be out. If I'm obviously recording this now, it should be out. So that means I am recording a bunch of new episodes of Ratchet and Clank, just to celebrate the end of Resistance. Yeah, I don't know if that's like sad or bad or I don't know. Oh crap. Okay, use the boost. I don't know what I'm doing there. Oh gosh, don't crash. Okay. Oh my god, I always crashed there. Jump! I need to remember to jump. But yet again, I can still finish the lap in first, because that's what I did last time. Alright, taking the safe path again, because I hate the other path so much. Jump over this with one boost so you can get this, and then jump into here. Boom, 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 boom. Love the music in this. You could tell these races are meant for a PS2 or PSP, because it just feels like it would be on a PSP. I've beaten this game on the PSP like 15 times, so. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Kill him! Ooh, kill him! Okay, I don't know if they're way behind me, it doesn't look like it, but I shouldn't underestimate my enemy. Which I do a lot in these games. I'm always like, oh, this seems easy to do. And I die. Oh my gosh, if I have to restart this race, I'm gonna restart the episode. Because I don't want to have a bad race. Okay then, is it unnecessary again? Wow, I'm fourth. Watch me freaking lose. No! I see you all. I will catch up. I'm first. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, all the way to the finish line. I won the race, of course, because I'm freaking Ratchet. I guess we'll have a new video. Yeah. Oh, jeez, that's loud.
This stupid piece of junk never worked right anyway. It makes magnets change polarity so that they either push or pull when you... Never mind. Thank you, sir.
I do not want to know what that guy was doing with the magnetizer. That's kind of weird. When you push or pull into the... yeah. Dude, pull yourself together. So now we got a new quick select, because we got all this crap. So we need to get rid of the concussion gun, because it sucks. This, because it sucks. Everything else looks good. Alright. We'll just enter our ship and go to planet. Oh, this is like the second time we've ever been in our ship. So we're gonna go to planet Challax. Planet Challax. Chillax, homeboy. Oh crap.
This doesn't look too hospitable. Maybe they put in false coordinates to throw us off the trail.
Wait, do not throw that.
Whoa, look at this. It's a hover car. Good eyes, pal. I was about to toss our only hope halfway across the planet.
Okay then. Shrink. Oh no, let's go back down to 35. So we don't get too loud here. Oh my god, it's Giant Clank again. Should we do it? Should we not? Let's do it. Come down! Is Ratchet gonna be on our backs? Whee! Oh. I don't see him. Oh no. Do we have to fight the Dreadnought again? Hopefully we don't. But this is a lot more intense than the other crap. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Was that Clank? It doesn't look like we're getting any of the upgrade stuff. Oh, never mind. Hopefully we survive our way there. If we don't, then I'll just head to the planet. Challax. Oh, hello. What are you? You're not enemy. I cannot understand you. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh. Turn. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a little scary. Oh. Okay, these guys are not intimidating. So I took them all out. Oh gosh. that's too much. Okay, that's a little unnecessary. Holy crap! And I now see my missiles going up anyway. So okay then. Wow, that was a little intense, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. New enemy. Hello guys, I am back with yeah. Sorry about the little interruption. That will not happen again. The camera shut off. I don't know why, because it was full battery when I checked, but luckily I barely caught it, and I didn't get that far. No. Just unpause, that's it. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. That was a little weird. It was full battery and it just unpaused. Or it just, like, you know, freaking died. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, I don't like this. I know, I'm just gonna fly around until it's the boss. Because I don't like those enemies. Hopefully it doesn't die 50 seconds in this time. Or, not 50 seconds in. Well, like... Oh gosh. Oh jeez. Oh my. This is a little insane. This is a little insane. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. I'm not really losing that much health, but it's still insane. Did I get all my health back? Is the boss coming soon? Hopefully. Jeez. Ah, darn. Turn. At least that's what it says. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I haven't really actually completed this flying Clank mission. Did I get full health right now? No, I didn't. And we are back fighting more enemies. Just great. That's what I really want to do right now. Oh, but I got 1 health, so that's all that matters, right? Oh, it's these guys. Oh gosh. These scary dudes. Okay. Let's just launch some missiles at them so they can leave us alone. Oh gosh, I can see the ship. So send out a bunch of enemies right now. Okay, those aren't enemies. Those are just ball missiles or rockets or something. Okay, there's 2 ships. There's 2 ships right now. And it is shooting at us. I don't know if this is the boss or... It can't be the boss because we would get full health. But get out of here, dude. Wait for the boss fight. Which I believe should be coming up soon. I don't know. This is pretty long. Longer than the other one, at least. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. 2 of my not favorite. Oh gosh, no. I don't like this. No. Just go in circles, They won't hit you if you go in circles. That's what my friends tell me, and it doesn't seem to be working. Leave right now, leave. Oh no, gosh. This seems like I would get health right now, but it doesn't seem like it. That didn't really work. Oh, screw this. Wow, we were out of freaking all of our missiles. That sucks, chicken nuggets. And we're receiving them up, too. Well then. Well. That's just swell, well. Who's well? I don't know who well is. Do you guys know who well is? Because flying Clank is 3 minutes into the battle. Or, well, I don't know now because the video shut off. And this is like 3 hours later. Okay, that is definitely up. Okay, it looks like a down, but it's up. Okay, this is a little, eerie comment. If I didn't die, I would probably, oh my gosh, this is too easy. This is a little weird. Okay, this doesn't really make any sense the way I'm flying here. But I believe the dreadnought's right here. So if I wouldn't have died, then I would have 100 yes. Oh, jeez. Let's just do our method and flying squares. Not that. That seems right, right? Oh, maybe we can get our missiles back. Hopefully those ships come out often, because I would love my missiles back. Oh, jeez. Well, bare necessities, I don't know why I am singing, because I like the song, blah blah, bare necessities, I am getting health back. Okay, then I actually like this place. Because I actually have more health than I have when I started this place. Yeah. Oh no. I'm getting missiles for something that I'm not even doing. Okay, just die, dude. Just die. I mean, look at me. I'm really taking damage. Wait, maybe I'm getting missiles for hitting him. I just know that I'm hitting him, and he's taking damage, so that's all that matters, right? And I'm not getting any health back, which I don't like. I want health. What's my health? Okay, maybe I am getting health. Okay, these boss fights are easy. They're just frustrating sometimes if you don't kill them, but like, you just gotta maneuver through this. So you gotta go through the middle. That's what I usually do. I go through the middle right here. Down, shoot those guys, into the middle right here, shoot these guys, and get a couple of missiles that should kill me. Woo! What is that? Looks like armor. The electroshock body armor, awesome. Alright, can we land now? Whee! Oh crap. Maybe that's a little. It's hard recording with the PS2. Oh, it is very dark and scary in this room. Like, when I'm looking at the TV, I'm like, oh, this is pretty bright, and then I look around, it's like, ooh. That was a nasty laugh. Alright, let's put on that armor, shall we? Well, I just want to see our armor sets here. Oh, we can't see any of our armor sets. But we have quite a bit of armor. We only have one helmet though, which is kind of suggy. Suggy, if you ask me, it's pretty suggy. Looks like he's shooting himself in the head. Whee! Oh, it's about to get that. Oh, I thought it was about to reach over. Ew, that's a nice little butterfly. What is this? The ball grabber, sniper mine. Ooh. And the PD. Oh crap. Not the bolt grabber, the box. It's hard. I want both of these. I'll just buy the PDA because, you know, that's good. That's all I gotta say. It's good. Get it, dog? Okay, we don't really need that. The swing shut out. So. But at least we're done with all the races for this game. I mean, like, totally. Boing. Whoa. Here we go, jump. Here we go, smash. Here we go, jump. Man, I'm like a pro at this. Whoa. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, that did not work out how I... What the crap is wrong with that ground? Okay, then. This is so random. This is just like freaking Brian Real jump session. That was the most random grind rail thing I've ever been on in the whole Ratchet and Clank series. Here we go. Oh no, we're falling. Okay, that was a pretty ugly screen. Oh yeah, polarizer. I forgot we even owned this thing. Aww. See ya. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, we have no ammo right now because we got rid of the one thing. But that's okay. That only means we are upgrading another thing. A better thing. I see some technomites, or what they're called, cragmites, whatever that. Cragmites are from Tools of Destruction, so technically, never mind then. Oh, okay, then they take quite a bit. Oh, what? Wow, you guys take a lot of damage. Alright, that takes a lot of. Okay. Oh my god, it's a ball. Yes. I guess we might as well just buy a random skin. Who knows? That's nasty looking. Let's get Buff Ratchet. But we're not gonna obviously put him on because we don't want to. I never do anyways. Oh yeah, these mods, we've never bought one yet, so we might as well do that. Not really want to buy one. Blah 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 blah. Oh gosh. Oh, wait, what's this one? That's cool. So that means I could shoot. Man. I would have had it like a minute. Nah, never mind. Ugh. You know, we'll buy mods at the end of the game. Because there is a mod thing right before the final boss, I think. Or before, I don't know. I just remember I could never beat the final boss, so there was a mod thing there. And I would stare at it and be like, I hate you, son. Okay, what's over here? Wait. Something's not right. Okay, never mind. Let's just go. I knew it! I freaking knew it. Something wasn't right. I always do that. I even did that in the Resistance playthrough. I always was going backwards somehow. Oh, this is why. Oh, the door. Oh. Uh-oh. Here comes the dropships. Are we gonna send out the Agents of Doom? Of course. Let's send out some B-Mine love. Some of the B-Mines, because they're pretty cool. And they do come back in, Tools of Destruction, but they're called the Nano Swarmers, I think that's what they're called. And they act exactly the same, except they suck in Tools of Destruction. They're, like, even worse. Well, they're good in this game, but they suck in Tools of Destruction. Okay, get the polarizer out. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you're not gonna work? Oh, there we go. Blah, 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 blah. Fatigue. Alright. Oh, all I heard was, yeah! Man, I do not really remember this level that well. All these things look like, never mind, I'm not gonna say it, it's gonna run appropriate. Alright, shoot him! Shoot him down. Where's the bee? It does take forever, unlike the bee thing, which does not, it does also take forever. I'm just gonna shut up now, because everything I say doesn't make sense. Yeah. Where's the P-gun? The P-gun. He got all over the place. Oh no, don't kill him! No! Get out! Don't get out, I don't know. We can't suck him up either. Okay, we're gonna have to use the Agent's Doom! Yeah! Or nothing, because that's apparently not working, so we'll use a Scorcher. Yeah, Scorch you guys. Screen gets really bright. Speaking of brightness, we might as well turn it down. Okay, never mind. Sure, vibration's on. No, it is not on. You lied. Whatever. I like vibration on, but it's not. I mean, I don't like vibration on. Okay, we just got. Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of upgrading weapons in Ratchet and Clank while it takes a couple years. Okay. Are you guys done yet? Because, you know, these guys aren't that hard to kill. I mean, really. I guess it is close to level 4, so. Josh, I hate Josh. Yeah, Josh. I hate jumping in this game. It's so bad. Dun, 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 dun. Looks like we need another one of those little guys to get across. The gap. If we are supposed to go over there, I don't see a guy. Oh, I see him! Oh my gosh, I've been killing him this whole time. Come back to life with the P gun. Right. Get on the brown guys. Or the brown, whatever the crap it is. Uh-oh. Okay, fall. Just fall. It took like freaking 3 years for that thing to fall. Like, I'm not even... What happens if we hit it now? Just throws bombs over. Oh. Oh, this kind of reminds me of Ratchet and Clank, Secret Agent Clank, because we climbed a statue in the first level. Oh gosh, grind rocks. You know, we all love grind rocks. Whoa. Oh gosh, okay. That actually genuinely scared me. Oh. Jeesh. Unnecessary freaking need of freaking circle thingies. Whatever these little things we're going through. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I don't know why I keep making those noises. It's just so intense. Right, it is open, so now we can bring out our glove of something. I already forgot what it's called. The Agent's Doom. It used to be called the Glove of Doom. I was once called the Glove of Doom too. No, but it's the Agent's Doom, Ethan. Oh gosh, I remember this too well. This part. Just upgrade so I can move on to a new weapon. This thing's like not even moving. It's making it look like we're moving, but we're not moving because maybe we were moving. I don't know, but that was taking forever. So. Yes! Now they have jetpacks, so they should be flying now. Now they're finally good for the boss. But we are going to now use the Scorcher. I got a skill point for what? Seriously, I kind of want to know what that skill point was for. What's shout out? Oh. Friends don't hurt friends? Yeah, I know that one. Take them. What? Kill 23 shocked. Oh, that's easy. Oh gosh. I'm about to die. If I don't get my health up. Oh, I almost jinxed it if I said that earlier. Okay, this is taking too long. Be my gloves. Kill him, big mosquito. Thanks for the help. No, you kind of helped. Easy story. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Isn't a big dropship trying to kill us? Yeah, that's what I remember. Oh my god. What did you just destroy? Oh, he destroyed our way out. Okay. Okay, so we work with this cam quite a bit in Size Matters. Actually, we only use it twice. In the final boss and in this one. Oh, choose your path. So far my path is always the bad path. Oh gosh. Oh, I was scared I wasn't gonna make it. Oh, jump. And he's destroying these lights. Why is there even lights connected to these freaking waves? That makes no total sense. Ugh. Keep going, keep going. This is it. It's the final countdown. Oh, jeez. I'm not sure if there's a... Okay, never mind. Whee! He's not gonna try to shoot us anymore? Okay, then. Okay, you know, that makes sense. Right. Oh, he's just leaving. He's just like, screw this. Wait, is this a boss? Oh my gosh, it is. I don't even know why I even turned it up. I knew it was a boss right when it started. Okay. Nanoswarmers. Or not nanoswarmers, I keep saying that. Okay. The Be Mine glove. I see a helmet over there. Helmets? I like helmets. You guys are gonna do some of these guys out. Throw another sword out. And let's like shoot this guy up. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I kinda wish we had more upgraded guns than this. Okay. This is like I'm Giant Clank, and these are the two blue little blasters. Oh gosh, I lost my messages. Shut more of those out. I think they just died. Step more B mines out. Oh, I got the PDA. So if I run out of ammo, I'll just PDA myself to ammo. I don't know. But this guy's taking forever to kill, and I'm losing my patience fast. Oh gosh. I have to end it halfway during the battle. You know, guys, I'm actually going to end it here, and I'll continue on with this boss battle in the next episode. So, hope everybody enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. My name's Nathan TV, and I'm out.